Alicante today. I've come in especially to go to the Titanic virtual reality experience in the town centre. We're also going to walk up to the castle and just have a general mooch about the town. Well, if you can hear me over the sound of the teachers' protest here in Alicante, we've actually come to a tile shop. It's a proper artisan tile shop, so hopefully we'll be able to get a few more tiles for our wall. Let's go in. It's a big fat fail again. They do have loads of tiles and things in here. It's a very good souvenir shop, but they don't have any hand-painted tiles from Alicante that are. They've got a spinner of some souvenir tiles, and we are going to buy one of those just so we've got one. If you come to Alicante, this is one street you must come to. San Francisco Street. Most people know it as Mushroom Street because it's filled with these strange looking sculptures. These mushrooms are a bit strange, a bit like something out of Lewis Carroll maybe. Alice Through the Looking Glass.
It's when you look down there and you can see them all, can't you?
Loads of bars, and cafes and tapas restaurants in this street.
Nice old building.
Nice street, isn't it? You know, the coloured buildings. Just for a little snack, we've gone into Las Mans homemade empanadas. They've got a deal, 2 empanadas and a drink for $7.95. It's pretty good for lunch. Here's the flavours that they've got.
Some cool thing here.
And then in Spanish. You just order at the counter and then they bring you out a nice little board with your selected empanadas on.
All got the names stamped on the front.
Yeah. We're still in San Francisco. It is very weird. No, see, for me, I'm walking on a high bit at the moment.
Yeah, no, that's what you said last time.
There's some magnificent buildings in Alicante.
I'd love to see the inside of that.
This is Alicante Beach. Would you consider Alicante for a beach holiday? This is a beach right on city centre, and that's the castle right there. We're going to be heading up there a little bit later. This is the entrance to the virtual zone on the first floor where we go to the Titanic virtual reality experience. Trip on the Titanic.
Let's hope it doesn't sink.
Spoiler alert.
Welcome to the bags.
Me?
That's me.
Please?
The Titanic set sail from Southampton, England on April the 10th, 1912 at 12.
Stoking the boilers. Well, we survived the Titanic experience.
We all got in the lifeboat.
Yeah, we got rescued.
Yeah, that was quite awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah, yeah. It does feel like you're actually in. I think you can pick things up and you know, and touch various items in on the boat.
You could walk up the stairs to where the ballroom was, and
And we saw the boat actually crash
and
into the iceberg.
Yeah.
So how much was that for entry? €20 each, was it?
Quite expensive.
But yeah, 17 for pensioners
Hey,
or under 16.
that's quite good value though. took about 3/4 of an hour. So
Yeah. Yeah, it's something different.
yeah, not something you do every week, but that's a good bit of fun.
And then at the end you could get a picture taken, and then the preview of the picture showed you as if you were standing on the boat in old-fashioned costumes. But for some reason it wasn't working properly, so she's going to send it on to us.
Now we're heading to the castle. Walking up to the castle. It does feel like it's about 30 degrees. But we're not the only ones.
This is way too hot to be doing this.
We're nearly at the top. Oh, it's nice and cool here. That is inside the castle, and it's free entry. We did come to Alicante Castle on one of our very first visits when we came to our apartment, but it was so stinking hot that day that it wasn't very pleasant. All different types of ceramics through the ages.
See the bull ring from here, can you?
I think it's further over.
Yeah, it's round there.
Yeah. You get a good view of Alicante bull ring from here.
Oh, you could view though, isn't it?
We came up by the steps, but we're going to go back by the lift. It's like being London Tube or something. Oh, yeah.
Quite high, my dears.
We're back at street level beside the beach. Alicante Town Hall. Absolutely massive. And then the plaza. This is where you come for the burning of the hogueras, and also where the giant nativity is at Christmas time.
Canya for
Is
90
this
cents.
the cheapest Canya in Alicante? 90 cents for Canya, 170 for a tapas. It's now just after 7, and we're still in Alicante, but we're heading to a restaurant that we've heard about. It's meant to be like going on safari to Tanzania. Let's see what this is all about. This is where we're going, Voltereta. Through there. In the lobby, they've got all these doors with little spy holes, and you spy through them. There's little videos running of people eating. We're going on a voyage to Tanzania, the Volterra restaurant in Alicante. This is something special, isn't it? thing out in a camp in the savannah, isn't it, with the trees? Cheers! This is a very cool restaurant. All the trees and plants inside are real. Even down to the grasses. We ordered hummus with pita bread and then tempura vegetables as an entree to share, and some nice bread too. That is pork cheeks on parmentier.
Parmentier potatoes.
And what was yours?
Pork loin on truffle mash.
Oh, and I've got pork cheek cannellonis. This is our bill at Volteretta. So it came to $72.50. Smells nice too. There's like a spa smell. It's so popular now. They're queuing out the door to get in.
Volteretta seems to be a chain of restaurants and different branches have got different themes. Because in Valencia they've got Bali, Seville it's Paris, Alicante's got Tanzania, which is obviously where we've been. Don't know what that is in Zaragoza.
This is where we parked for the day, just in the back of El Corte Inglés. No idea how much it's going to cost, but we'll find out in a minute.